Once upon a time in the city of Cebu, I was chillin' with my homies, got in class with my crew. Then the motherfucker named Sunday came around, asked me if I had a marijuana plug in the town. When I questioned why he smoke, he said what? That was the sign. He talks and he chokes on a dope blunt. Everybody knows what I'm talking about, especially if you came around. Rocks it not even a pound. Then we journey to the south side, no serpents. Come over here to the land's illegal tenants. Everybody here once had strict parents, nevertheless they have good weed. And then me and my homie Sunday started finding burners. Smashed the choco, peeled the paper and then made about this. Homie Sunday bought 10 piece of nuts, paper lick, like a flick. Now let's start the fucking show.
Downtown in the city of Cebu, it's a really the place that you wanna be into. Downtown in the city of Cebu, it's a really the place that you wanna be into. Downtown in the city of Cebu, it's a really the place that you wanna be into.